Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Amazon shopping voucher. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Amazon application on a mobile phone or PC and you will see the Amazon homepage appearing. Here what you're going to do is simply click on this icon, that is the second icon at the bottom. Now, click on your account button. After this, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to Add gift card to your balance section. Now, enter the gift card number here and click on Add gift card to balance. After you do this, the balance from that gift card will be transferred to your Amazon wallet. Now, you'll have to just use your wallet to pay any order to use that Amazon shopping voucher gift card. Now, another way to do this is simply navigate to the product that you want to buy. So for example, if I would want to buy this book, I will add it to my cart, navigate to my cart, choose the edition that I want, scroll down and click on the buy now button. Now, after clicking on buy now button, I'll have various payment methods available. So what you're going to do is choose Amazon Pay balance if you have already added your Amazon shopping voucher gift card. If not, you also get the option to click on this add gift card or promo code button. When you click here, you'll have to enter the code from your Amazon shopping voucher gift card in this section. After you enter the code, you'll have to just click on apply, and when you apply it, you'll have successfully used that Amazon shopping voucher gift card. Click on continue and the shopping voucher gift card will be applied to your invoice. Now you can click on place your order and use that shopping voucher gift card. So that's how you redeem Amazon shopping voucher. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.